Okay, this PV guitar is done. Let's do a little taste test comparison now, chord to chord. There's our E, another E, another E, F, C, G, A, so what was happening with this guitar is, and it's typical, as he made his way up the neck, it got more and more out of tune. Now we've regulated, he has a very sort of specific gauge of strings that he's picked out. It's not an off-the-shelf set of strings. I think that might have been part of the issue, but between the compensated nut and the fresh frets that guarantee the string frets dead center on the crown every time, and he's got the EVO fret wire, so he's good to go for a long time. And we got the action regulated now because we leveled that top end of the fingerboard while we had the opportunity, while the frets were out. And now every chord plays in tune. These are nice pickups. All those garden variety first position chords. There you go, another guitar, absolutely perfectly in tune, awesome action, plays like a dream. I thought I should take a second and demonstrate one more time the compensated nut. That buzz you hear is tools rattling on the bench here. There's the E, F, there's A, B flat. So I don't know if I'm in the way of the camera here. There's our B flat, there's our D, E flat, G, and G, A flat, C, there's our B string, C,